Welcome to Peak Auto Auctions. Follow this tutorial after a Peak sales representative has created your account. This video will show you how to create an auction and upload your vehicle photos via our desktop and through our Peak Auto Auctions app. Keep in mind that your first auction must be created by your sales representative. After that is created, you will be able to create subsequent auctions moving forward on your own. How to make an auction through our website. Go to www.peakautoauctions.com and select your state. After you selected your state and your representative has created an account, you can sign in through the portal or on the app. Fill in your information below. Once you've signed in, the top right-hand corner will have a new tab labeled Enter Admin. This will bring you to your dashboard. Under Active Auctions, you should see the auction that your representative has created. If you see your auction, you can skip these steps. To create an auction, go to the Auctions tab, and then New Auction. If you have multiple companies, you will choose the company you are making the auction for. You can fill in dates and times at this point, or you can edit the dates and times after the uploading process. Add any notes necessary, then select Create. To make a new lot, go to the Lots tab on the left-hand side. Then select New Lot. If you have multiple locations, click the down arrow and select the location of the particular vehicle. If you only have one location, you can skip this step. Lot numbers will auto-generate starting at number 1 for each auction. There is no need to fill in this field unless you have a lot numbering system that you want to coincide with. Bidding will start at $400 for every auction unless discussed otherwise with your sales representative. Therefore, there is no need to fill in this field unless there is a minimum that must be met for the vehicle to sell. Now, it's time to put in your VIN number. Type it in or copy and paste the VIN number. Capitalization is not required. Click Look Up and it will auto-populate your make and model. Keys, runs, drives, and Cadillac converter drop-down boxes must not be left blank. Airbag status is not required since the interior photo will be taken of the steering column. The title status box is where you'll put documents regarding the vehicle. The description box is where you'll put anything else about the vehicle that the buyer cannot see in photos but could affect the overall value of the vehicle. For example, flood damage or biohazardous material. Lastly, you can either save and add another lot or add lot. It's now time to upload your photos. You can add photos from your desktop files, or you can utilize our Peak Auto Auctions app and take photos from your camera. Here's the guidelines on how to upload the photos. All photos must be landscape. At least 5 to 10 pictures of each vehicle must be taken. It should include all 4 quarter panels, interior shot of the steering column, engine photo if accessible, and any cargo areas. This is how to upload your photos through the Peak Auto Auctions app. Download the app through the App Store and sign into your account. Then select Seller Portal. Your active auctions will show up here. You can continue where you left off through the desktop and just add your photos. Select the vehicle that you want to add the photos to. You can take it with your camera or pick from your gallery roll. Once all of your information has been uploaded, now it is time to contact your sales representative to go live.